Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the AI mode in Qwen so you can explore different model size and capabilities with ease. First, head over to the Qwen AI app. Make sure you are logged in into your account if the platforms require it. Once you are on the main chat interface, look towards the top of the page or sidebar. You will find a drop-down menu or selector label something like Model or Choose Model. Model may be listed as Qwen 2.5 Plus, Qwen 32B, etc. Once you have selected the model, the chat interface will reload with the new model. Now you are ready to ask questions, run prompt, or test or performance across, and that's how you switch mode in Qwen AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.